I'll show you 7 websites in this video where you may make easy money every day. All of them are free, and some of them will provide you thousands of dollars for doing virtually nothing. The first website on our list is Respondents.io. As you can see, this website will pay you to share your knowledge and experience. If you scroll down here, you can see how much you will get paid from this website. In contrast to other similar websites that only pay you pennies for completing tasks, Respondent is not like that. This is how much Respondent will pay you per hour. 1. If you like it, it has been in operation for a while, and signing up for this website is simple. Just scroll up a little bit, click here where it says Get Started, and then select this option here where it says Participants, because we want to make money. So just click it, and it will take you to this page to fill out your own information. Just type here your first and last names, and you must also enter your work email, or you can alternatively. Now, before I show you the second website on our list, make sure to check out the first one. And after you finish these projects, you will be paid via PayPal, or you can also add your bank account. The payment on this website is also really good. Therefore, the second website on our list is known as usreview.com. If you enjoy reading, this will be the ideal opportunity for you to earn money online from the comfort of your home. U.S. Review of Books is a website that you can use to read books, give them reviews, and earn money. It is completely free and operates worldwide. This website will pay you between $25 and $75 for each book that you review. There are currently some additional websites that are comparable to this one, such as an online book club. The problem with this website is that most of the time they're going to reject your book review and not pay you for it for whatever reason, but that's not the case with this other website, which is the U.S. Review of Books. This website will literally pay you for every single book review, so if you write one, feel free to submit it. This website also claims that they will pay you for every book review that you do, as you can see here. On their website, it says get paid to review books completely free. So let's move on to website number 3. By the way, if you're still watching, let me know what country you're from and don't forget to like this video. Website number 3 is an app called SweetCoin. Just click the first website here. Basically, this is an app that rewards you with coins for walking and lets you use those coins to purchase hundreds of different goods and services, including iPhones, Apple Watches, tablets, subscriptions, and other items. There are only 2 steps you walk and you earn, as you can see here. All you have to do is download the app and carry on living your life. The app will track your steps and reward you for something you do every day anyhow. As you can see here, they already have 120 million registered users. They also have over 1 million ratings on Google Play and almost 300,000 ratings on the App Store. This app is really good, and I highly recommend it. There are now 4 more websites left on our list, and as I said, stay tuned for the last one because that's where you can make the most money, and it's also going to be incredibly easy. By the way, make sure you also click on the other websites on our list as well. For instance, if I click on this one, you can see that they already have over 50 million downloads on Play Store and their rating is also pretty good. Consequently, let's move on to website number 4 on our list, userinterviews.com. You can make money on this website by sharing your thoughts with businesses like Pinterest, Spotify, and Adobe. You can never run out of opportunities here because new studies are added daily, and they are always looking for new participants to sign up and participate in. It's also very simple to get started as a participant on this website. Simply click here where it says Sign Up, and it will take you here. Then, select this first option here where it says Participant, and it will take you to this page where you can fill out your personal information. You can use your social media accounts in place of your email address to sign up, and once your account is approved, you can begin applying to studies and you will be paid. Now let's move on to the next website, which is number 5 on our list. This website is called userbrain.com, and it will pay you for testing products, apps, websites, and other things. Once you sign up for the site, here are some examples of tasks that you will have to complete, such as signing up for Spotify's music streaming family plan, looking for a birthday present for a friend, or learning the total cost of a product. Or whatever the case may be, the registration process is also very simple on this website. Simply click here where it says Get Paid to Test, and it will take you to this page where you can fill out your personal information. Once your account is accepted, you will be paid $5 for each test that takes between 5 and 20 minutes, making this very easy money since no prior experience is required. You can also read for instance, how the website works, what happens after you apply, and other such things. You can also watch this video from here to learn exactly how to do these tests. Now let's move on to website number 6 on our list, Tremata.com, which is also another testing website that will let you earn money for testing different websites and apps and giving your opinion and feedback about them. You earn $10 for every test that you complete on this website. Additionally, there are no restrictions on the number of tests you can take here. To register, simply click the link that says Get Paid to Test and then fill out your personal information. You must have a PayPal account for this, as this is how you will be paid. You can also click on See an Example to learn more about the website and view examples of the tests you will be taking there. That concludes the description of this website. The only website left is playtestcloud.com, which is my favorite because it allows you to essentially make money by playing video games. Major app developers use this platform to optimize their games for onboarding, concepts retention, and other things of the like. If you scroll down here and click here where it says Who are the players, you can then find out more about these players. There is more information about them if you scroll down further, and the amount of money you can actually make with this website is about $9 per 15 minutes, as you can see here. They accept everyone to start working with them on this website because their players are all regular people who play games on a regular basis, which means you don't need any prior experience or knowledge of them. There is more information about them if you scroll down further, and the amount of money you can actually make with this website is about $9 per 15 minutes, so you can't really complain about that sin. As you can see here, however, it states that their players are regular people who all play games on a regular basis, which means they essentially accept every single person to start working with them on this website.